Hey, y'all, hey, it's your girl Jen with Totally Zen, and I am here today to unbox my Christmas mini Mondays. I am super excited about these. I have patiently waited for them. I also patiently kept them in my Amazon cart for a really long time until I decided to finally order them, and I did. They came in the mail the other day, and I did partially open the box, but I didn't ruin all of the surprise. So I will be looking at through these with you and um, getting my first impression on them. So they're so stinking cute, and I can't wait to complete these. So after much anticipation, we're going to open up this box and you're going to see what I got. So, for those of you that are new here, welcome in. For those of you coming back, hey there. Thanks for coming back. And hey, if you are new, think about subscribing and join in my little community. I am still pretty new at this. I started over there on TikTok, so I've got a lot more followers on TikTok. And then I've slowly been trying to build my YouTube and my Instagram along with Facebook. However, I am still pretty slow at those, but that might be because I forget to post on them. But it's okay. I will get there one day. So, are y'all ready for this? I don't think you're ready for this, but I'm going to show you. And they're so cute. And if you don't think they're cute, I don't know what's wrong with you. Just kidding. But for real, they are so cute. We're going to try to do these like, I don't know, one or two at a time and go from there. But OMG, guys, look at that. It's so cute. Let me zoom in more. So these are little Christmas magnets and they're ugly Christmas sweaters. I mean, how could you not love these? So we got a little Christmas one. There are several in here. And this one has got little deers on it. And this one is a Christmas wreath. I'm going to pull out a whole handful and then go through them because they're kind of hard to get out of the box because they're kind of stuck together. But it's okay. And this one is upside down. Be in the right place, little magnet. All right, so we'll move this one out of the way. And this one is one that I pulled out the other day and looked at. And it's got a little puppy dog on there. I mean, look how stinking cute. And the colors, I think they're going to look pretty good, but we shall see. This one, got a little deer and some tree and presents. And that one, I don't know if I care much for that one, but I'll still do it. OMG, look at this little guy. And that one's like a partial, so his face won't have diamonds on it, but everything around it will have the crystals. How cute. I don't know if your favorite movie is The Elf, but it totally is mine. It is definitely one of my favorite Christmas movies, and I have to watch it every year. This one's got the mistletoe. And here we've got Santa and his reindeer. Oh, we've got another cute one. Look at the little bear. It's so cute. Right, this one is just a design. Looks like maybe it's trying to have, no, I thought there was going to be trees underneath of it, but it's not. And then there's stars right here. Right. And then this one is a snowflake. Oh, and we have another little elf. This one's pretty cute too. I can't wait to get these going. And we've got the snowflake with green. Oh, look at this one. It's a snowman. And then this one is super cute too. It's a little polar bear. Why did I not know his name? And then Oh, we got Frosty the snowman. And he's holding a package. And we got this one. It's got little deers, and these deers don't have the crystals on them, so they'll be able to stand out and not get muffled with the crystals. And then we have another one, but it's red, and same thing with this one. The deers do not have crystals over the top of them. And it looks like we have a little bell. And this one is blue with looks like mountains, some trees down here, and a moon. And we have some more bells. Oh, and then here comes old Saint Nick right there. And same thing with him. His face is going to stay as it is. And then we have this one, just a design. And we have the Christmas tree. I really like that one. That one's pretty cute. It's got good coloring to it. And this little blue, little reindeer in there. Oh, I like this color too. Pretty plain, but it's cute. Oh, and the last, well, I don't know. There's another one in there. But we have a snowman, and we've got two more. So another snowman, and another little cute one. So this one is your stocking, and that is all of those. So I am super excited about these. I've been patiently waiting. They've probably been in my cart, my Amazon cart, for like 4 months now, but it wasn't Christmas time, so I had to be patient and wait. And patience is not my best virtue, but hey, if you've never done magnets before, they are super, super easy, and I'll show you everything that comes in your kit. You don't need to get anything else if you don't want to. You can always upgrade your pen, your trays, anything else that you want later on if you need to, but it is not necessary because it all does come in your kit and you do not have to get anything. I take that back though. With these, I'm looking at the drills, and you will have to get containers or baggies to put the little crystals in because these do not come in individual bags. They're the bags that you have to cut, and I'll show you those here in a few minutes. But here is the tray that you're going to get. So same as usual, you're going to get your wax, your green tray, and your little pink pen. And then you get your crystals. And mine's all a mess. Just a minute. So we'll look at these because it's a smaller strand. But you get everything that you need in your kit. So this one looks like there's quite a few of these clear crystals. And then there's a brown and yellow. There's going to be all kinds of different colors in this kit because there are several different designs in here with different colors. So the thing that you will notice with either coasters or the magnets, anything that's smaller that you get from Amazon, Shein, Temu, any of those that have these crystals, they're never going to have the actual crystal color on there. I believe this is like the kit number. I'm not 100% sure exactly what they are, but it'll never be like the color that you need. So if you run out, you're going to have to just guess what color it is or use a different one during that process. Also, I will bring it over here so you can see these, but you're either going to get numbers or letters. You're not going to get any symbols, anything like that with any of these smaller ones. You can even see, I'll put this up a little closer. Sorry, my I got a little messy with some glue and my thumb looks horrible right now and I can't get it off. So we'll have to do the old fashioned wear off. But if you see, it's always going to be very clear and they're always going to be numbers or letters. This makes it really easy for a kid craft or adult, even maybe, someone that that's elderly in the nursing home or anything like that that needs a craft to do, but one that's easy. Um, so these are really easy to do. And then as soon as you're ready to do it, you're just going to peel back the corner and then your sticky. As you see, it's pretty sticky. My finger sticks to it for a while. But you'll peel it back and then start putting your diamond, your drills on there. Um, if you followed my channel at all, I have several different ones out there, how to diamond paint coasters. I will probably do maybe a how to diamond paint magnets in the next week or two. I'm not really sure. But they're pretty simple, self-explanatory. My kids absolutely love doing these because then they can go stick them on the fridge and they're there forever. They're a little better than stickers because stickers get stuck to the wall or their bed or wherever they find a spot to stick stickers. And, sometimes that's not fun trying to get off later. Um, but I am super, super excited to get into this kit and I can't wait to kit it up. Looks like I have several different colors and I'm not sure how I'm going to kit it up. Probably going to have to use bags because I don't have any more storage containers. I have too many projects open, but I can't help it. I absolutely love doing this hobby and I love doing these smaller ones. But the thing that stinks with the smaller ones is if you have several open and trying to do different ones, you don't have the packaging to actually like work on it. But I might try some different storage techniques that I've seen around and let you know how I'm going to kit this one up. I may even do a video coming up on different storage kits and how to kit up um, because I've got a couple friends that I've introduced to this diamond painting community. And one of their first questions is, how do you kit this up? How do you do any of it? So I might do a little storage thing and go over that too, because I've got several different containers, and those containers you can kit up in multiple different ways. I know with me, sometimes I'm a little dyslexic, so that kind of renders a little bit of what I do. But hey, we all have something that's wrong with us. But on another note, I can't wait to get these started, and I hope you come back. They're going to be mixed between some shorts and some whipping chats. So I hope you come back and you see what's going on with these things. Let me know if you actually liked them, if you thought they were cute, if you would even be interested in getting them for yourself or kids, grandkids, whoever you think that would be interested in it. And as you all know, I hope you have a great and wonderful day. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you think about it and you join my little community. But leave a comment below. Let me know how much you like these. Bye.